All right, and now that you cut out your first mold, what I want you to do is we're going to create a center line. So if you see mold 1 here in our jig, there's a center line here that lines up against the center line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lines drawing that looks like this. We're going to put our mold number 1 inside of here, and this is a good way to check to see if you've done it right. And we're just going to take that red center line mark and mark 2 dots. I'm going to use pencil just in case I make a mistake. 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Then I take my ruler, and remember, I'm not going to score this one. I'm just going to lightly draw a center line. And I should have did that without scoring. And so this is what your mold should look like now with the center line, which would match up with this one. And I'm going to do the same process with mold 2 and 3. So again, I'm going to take my mold 2, I'm going to place it on my balsa wood. I'm going to trace it out with scoring the mold, and then I'm going to cut it out. And when they are all cut out, I'm not going to cut this one out because I don't need to do that process. When they're all cut out, you are going to go back to your strong back. By this time, you can remove your binder clips. When you remove your binder clips, it will look something like this. And now I'm going to line up, and I really should have marked this in the beginning. I'm going to line up my line so I know which mold goes where. So I have, see how I lined it up? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to mark that. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you are literally going to just take some glue. Oops. Yep, take some glue. Remember, you're going to glue the side with the longer. It's like a trapezoid with the longer width.
Okay.
No, you're not